Hi folks, this is going to be part 3 and the finish of me repairing a 1949 train set, Lionel, and you've seen my post. I have had to fix that car, was broke. I've got old track that doesn't say Lionel on it and was used on apparently a board or something for track, and this here is the track that is newer and says Lionel on it. And see how old this is, and this set only has a manual to, you press it and the cars come apart. I have all the parts otherwise. Now excuse me while I go in and show you the rest of this story on the transformers I repaired. Okay, if you remember where I left off on the transformers, that's the original, 1949 or so, and I repaired it, took it apart, new cord. This one here is the 50 watt, which apparently has the same thing, can be used on the same train, so I fixed both of them. This one only really needed to be cut off at the end, if you remember. Now I'm going to show you using a multimeter. Hope I can do this one-handed again. That both of them are putting out at this point. This one, the 50 watt, is humming, and at any power you get, I'll show you the wattage, which will be wattage in voltage, which is in the range of that train can run on without blowing anything up or ruining anything. This one, I'll show you, no matter where you put that switch, only puts out 25 watts. Nothing jumps up, so I'll show you now. I'll put the leads on this one and see if I can do this. This ain't gonna be easy. All right, if you could see that. Excuse me, this is not easy. That's very low, 16. That's in the range for a secondary amperage to convert it to watts, but that's the amperage. It's in the range, 16 point something. Now, no matter where you put that one, it doesn't go over. I can lower it, and I'll show you again. You see 1.5, okay? And you put it all the way on high, and I'll do it again. Excuse me, this is not easy to do by myself. See, it's all in the range, and that's very old. Now, hold on. Now, we're going to go to this one, which is a 50 watt, 110 volt, up to 50 watts. Now, I'll show you the same terminals and what it's putting out, and it's humming, because it's a little stronger, or it might be a little old. So, excuse me, I gotta see where I'm at. Oh boy, this is gonna be harder. Oops. Okay. Oh, darn. Give me a minute. Dang. This is hard to do one-handed while the other hand works. I'm sorry. All right. Oh, come on. Okay. It's on low, and it's reading 18 point something. That's still in the range of AC power to the track or engine or whatever. It's in the range of somewhere between like 9 and 18. Okay, now that's on low, and if I put it on high, I'm trying again to get the clips on. Wish I had clips. I'm using the pointers. Sorry, I really am sorry. Now that's on high, and you can see it's still in range. Not more than 14, 15. You get up to 16, 17, 18, then you might have a problem. Now I've got it set in the middle, and I'm still in the same place. Although it hums more, you might be able to hear it. Okay. I hope this taught you guys something. And if you hear any background noise, I got other things I'm working on and running, plus the humming of the transformers. But the train, the engine, the whole setup works. So this, I hope this helped anybody with questions, or you can ask me. Thank you very much.